Welcome back. In our last lesson, we successfully connected to PostgreSQL and inserted a record. Now, we complete the demonstration by performing the read operation, fetching the data back to Python. You will see that the logic is exactly the same as with MySQL. 1. Inserting more sample data. To make the fetch operation meaningful, let's insert a couple more records using pgAdmin or by rerunning the code from the previous lecture with different data. This ensures we have a few rows for fetch all to retrieve. 2. Executing the select query. Back in Python, assuming the connection and cursor are open, we define a standard select query. We use order by IDASC to ensure the records are returned in the order they were inserted. We send the query to PostgreSQL using cursor.execute parenthesis. 3. Retrieving and processing data. We use cursor.fetch all parenthesis, which, identical to MySQL, returns the result set as a list of tuples. Each tuple represents a row from the products table. We iterate through the list and print each record. Finally, we must close the cursor and connection, concluding our operations with PostgreSQL. To summarize, you now have experience connecting to and manipulating data in two major relational database systems, MySQL and PostgreSQL. In the next section, we shift gears dramatically to the world of NoSQL with MongoDB, where we will work with flexible JSON-like documents instead of rigid tables. Our next lecture 30.01, Mongo Introduction. See you there.